So over here you can see that I have this particular project, and let's say what I want to do is I want to export this out as a video. In that case, what you need to do is over here on the timeline, you can see that export is an option. You need to go around over here and click on the export button, and once you do that, over here you can see that I can go around onto export now. And here, if I were to go around and choose content, then all of these content right here will get exported. So I'm just going to go around and click on contents right here, and what happens is that you can see that the render queue opens up, and then what happens is that the rendering process has started up, as you can see right here, and all of the things right here will be rendered out right here. And you can see that by default MP4 file is selected right here, and it has started out. So you do need to wait around a bit right here, just like this, and then it'll start rendering out, and you can see a preview of this as well. And the thing about rendering with HitFilm is you can still go around and then work around with other video projects and edit it out right here. And on the export section, you can still see the progress right here. And you can see the progress over here of the render right here, just like this. And depending on the complexity of the video and the size of the video, what happens is that the rendering does take a bit of time. And it is normal for rendering to take time just like this, especially with heavy video projects. And you can see that this is what you have right here. It directly exported it into this particular folder right here. So if I were to go around and click over here, then you can see that this is what you have. This is the video file that has been exported. If I were to go around and double click, now you can see the exported video right here in full quality, just like this. And that is how you can export out entire contents inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.